Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Fivers to MetaTrader 5 in 2026 on your mobile. So first of all, you need to download and install the MetaTrader 5 application in your device from Google Play Store or App Store. Afterwards, in order to connect your Fivers account with your MT5 account, you need to first of all log in into your Fivers dashboard. So when you purchase your funded account from Fivers, you are going to get access to your dashboard. In that particular dashboard, you are going to get your login credentials associated with your own account only. So from there, you need to get your real MetaTrader 5 login ID, the password and the server name. So once you have it, you just have to open your MT5 application on your phone. You are going to see this type of interface in front of you. So here you can either tap on this plus icon on the top, in the middle, or you can also tap on the option of add trading account. Now over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for that particular server that you are assigned with. So for example, let's say if I search for Fivers, or if I search for 5%ers, you just have to simply look for the broker over here. So once you are able to find the broker in this list, you simply tap on it. After that, simply provide your login credentials like your login ID and your password and simply log in into your account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.